Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In this episode we avoid power tools and heavy machinery and talk about this long-term project. In early 2014 this was a solid, slightly neglected Midget 1500, bought for the sole purpose of being cut, spliced and grafted into something it was never meant to be, propelled by Rover's 1800cc twin-cam K-series engine. Within weeks it was stripped back, mocked up and in the body shop to remove all trace of standard. The bumpers were removed, arches flared and fuel filler cap relocated, establishing the sleek lines this car should have been born with. Fast forward 18 months and 2 track days, the project was going from strength to strength, finding the limit of driver and car. But there was an itch, it wasn't scratching. A niggle in the back of my mind saying, there's more, I'm not done yet. It's said that a period of prolonged boredom preempts intense creativity. There's none more intense than ripping into a well-running, good-looking classic sports car that you've poured years of work into. But I did it. In the space of 2 weeks, the little car was reborn a much, much bigger car. A Jaguar AJ30 V6 spluttered into life and I knew at that moment I had done something ridiculous, yet eminently thrilling.